Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in again. Today we're diving into a detailed review of the all-new 2026 Toyota Crown, one of the most talked about sedans of the year. Toyota's taken a bold step with this model, combining luxury, tech, and performance into a sleek package that aims to challenge even premium brands. Let's get right into it. Starting off with the exterior, the 2026 Crown looks stunning. It carries forward Toyota's fresh design language, but with even sharper details and a more premium presence. The front grille is massive, but it feels integrated rather than forced, and the slimmer LED headlights give it a futuristic look. The new Crown sits slightly higher than traditional sedans, giving it a unique stance, almost like a cross between a sedan and a fastback. You'll also notice the two-tone color options that Toyota has brought back, and they really stand out. The 21-inch alloy wheels on the higher trims look aggressive and modern, and the sculpted sides give the car a sense of motion even when it's parked. Aerodynamics have been improved as well, with air curtains and a more streamlined roofline reducing drag and helping efficiency. Now when it comes to performance, the 2026 Crown doesn't disappoint. Toyota has upgraded the hybrid powertrain significantly. The base models come with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine delivering around 236 horsepower, which is solid for everyday driving. But the real fun starts with the 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid max powertrain that offers up to 340 horsepower and instant torque thanks to the electric motor assist. This gives the Crown an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 5.5 seconds, putting it close to some performance sedans in this price range. All-wheel drive comes standard in the turbo hybrid models, making it suitable for various road conditions. Handling feels refined, and the suspension has been tuned for both comfort and sportiness. It's not a corner carver like a BMW 3 Series, but it feels planted and confident, especially for a hybrid. You'll also love the regenerative braking that feels natural and helps recharge the battery on the go. Inside, the 2026 Toyota Crown really steps up the luxury. The cabin is spacious, airy, and well-designed with soft-touch materials almost everywhere you look. The center console is sleek, with a floating 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that can be customized based on your driving mode and preferences. The seats are plush, with heating and ventilation standard on most trims, and the higher trims even come with rear seat heating. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and high-quality synthetic leather or real leather on the top trims add to the luxury feel. Toyota has really worked on sound insulation here. The cabin stays quiet even at highway speeds. There's plenty of space for passengers in both rows, and the trunk offers decent storage for a hybrid sedan. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 Toyota Crown comes in several trims, starting with the XLE, which begins around $42,000. The limited trim starts at approximately $47,000 and adds more luxury and tech features. Then there's the Platinum trim with the hybrid max powertrain, starting at about $53,000. Considering what you're getting, hybrid performance, luxury interior, and Toyota's legendary reliability, that's actually solid value. Plus, Toyota offers a great warranty package, and the hybrid components are covered for up to 8 years or 100,000 miles, which adds peace of mind for buyers. So overall, the 2026 Toyota Crown is a compelling choice for someone looking for a stylish, powerful, and efficient sedan that doesn't blend into the crowd. It stands out, drives well, and packs features you'd normally expect in a luxury brand. If you're in the market for something different, modern, and comfortable, this car should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you think about the new Toyota Crown. Would you consider buying it, or is there another hybrid sedan you have your eyes on? Catch you in the next one.